As I'm getting older, chip upon my shoulder, rolling through life to roll over and die. La 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 la, la 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 la, la la la. Missing hippie John, sad days are gone, remembering things.
Hey guys, it's Viv, and for today's video I'm here with Paisley and Melody, and unfortunately this video is going to be going up on Sunday because I wasn't able to put out a video on Wednesday, which I am very sorry for and I apologize, but I wanted to do a video for Valentine's Day, which is why you're seeing a video on Sunday, so we're kicking it old school dolly delays here. So for today's video, Paige and Mel and I are going to be showing you how to make these really adorable tie-up and wrap shirts, and the great thing about these is that they're no sew and they take like 5 seconds to make, and they're so cute and they can be styled in a whole bunch of different ways and made in a whole bunch of different fabrics. So if you're interested in knowing how to make these really cute no-sew tops, just keep watching. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is cut out a piece of fabric that is 20 inches by 5 inches. And I took mine off of an old t-shirt, so I had a pre-done hem at the bottom, but you can use whatever fabric that you like. I recommend one that doesn't have a lot of fraying because we're not going to be hemming anything. So go ahead and fold your fabric in half, and then with a ruler measure 2 1/4 inches in from the fold and 2 1/4 inches down from the top and cut a hole. Make this hole a little bit small at first because it's easier to make it bigger than it is to size it down. And then that's the top done. All you have to do to dress your doll is put it on like you would a vest using the armholes. And then you can either tie it in a bow at the front like I have on Melody, or you can overlap the two sides and then tuck them into a skirt or a pair of pants to make a really cute wrap shirt. You can style these tops with a whole bunch of different looks. For the white shirt, I paired it with this red skater skirt that I made in a previous video, and that'll be linked in a card in the top right hand corner. And for the pink shirt, you guys saw me put it on Paisley in the clip. I paired it with this really cute pale pink tennis skirt, and this tennis skirt actually has little polka dots on it, which I think is so cute for Valentine's Day, and I actually did a tutorial on it, so if you want to see that, it'll be linked in the description box down below as well. I love the way these tops turned out. They're so super cute and super easy to make and super on trend right now as well. That's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more American Girl doll videos like this, sewing tutorials, hairstyle tutorials, outfits, and more. And yeah, if you have any suggestions on what type of videos you want to see on my channel, be sure you let me know in the comment section down below. So I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will talk to you soon for another one. Bye!